I'm Stephanie Rubletz. Welcome back to my channel. We are talking about how to use your sewing skills to complete your New Year's resolutions and turn them into reSEWlutions. And today, our fourth episode, it's a biggie. We're talking about getting organized. All right, getting organized is a huge resolution for a lot of people. And I know for a lot of us, myself included, it just winds up with like a whole bunch of new plastic baskets from the dollar store entering the house and then not really much being done with it after that. So I have a huge roundup of all things organization that you can sew. So make sure that if you haven't already, that you're following the Pinterest board that goes along with this series. I will link it below. Because as the videos drop, I will also add in the inspirations and the roundups for each episode. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is the plastic bag organizer. I mean, we're all trying to reduce our plastic. I get that. They still find their way into my house. There's one grocery store that I go to that it's just like that, oh, I just gotta run in and grab something. I always forget to bring bags to that one. Always. So, I mean, no matter what, I'm gonna end up with a few bags, and this is a nice, tidy way to keep them all organized. And actually, it's on my sewing queue. Like, I actually do need to do this one. Number 2, zipper totes. Tote bags, makeup bags, like whatever. I found some really cute ones that were clear, which are phenomenal. If you're a bag lady, I mean, let's just be honest. There's some of us out there. I'm actually getting like shoulder problems because I carry such a big bag to work. Yeah, totes just, they keep everything together. They keep you organized. All right, the next one is the car seat organizer. These are huge for me because I have kids and the idea is they put all their crap in it, but I mean, their resolutions are not my resolutions. Now, I've purchased these in the past and they just fall apart. So I feel like sewing my own out of sturdy fabric is just going to be the way to go. The kids can keep their coloring books, their reading books, their pencil crayons. I mean, all the things. We have a minivan. And when we went in to purchase it, we really didn't want to have like the drop-down TV. Just our personal preference, nothing against having it. When we went in to buy our van, the guy like tried to sell us on the next model up just on the TV, and he was dumbfounded when we were like, no, we don't want the TV. Kids just should figure out how to be entertained on a long car ride. I had to do it. I didn't have no TV. Back in my day, we didn't have TV in the car. We just had to chew bubblegum and argue about who was breathing on whom. Okay, this next one I'm really excited about because I've never done it before, but I am so doing that this year, and that is rope baskets. Oh, I'm a sucker for baskets, but also I don't want so much plastic in my house. So these, oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I again, follow the Pinterest board, okay? Okay, here's another interesting one, cord wraps. I mean, cords in your purse, they just have the capacity to turn into a massive knot, especially if you happen to have any other stringy thing in your bag, like a lanyard or a keychain or whatever. It's a disaster waiting to happen. So these cord wraps, super handy. And again, back to the whole being a bag lady thing, a purse organizer with the little pockets, a place for everything and everything in its place. I mean, who doesn't need that, right? And of course, the sewing station organizer or sewing mat. People call them different things. It's like the most obvious thing that every sewer should sew themselves, and I have yet to sew myself one. I'll get on it. It's on the list. It's resolution time. Okay, so those were my favorite ways that I found to use your sewing skills to help you get organized in your home. Make sure you comment below. Let me know which one you like the best, which one you have tried, which one you want to try. All the ideas. Let's talk about it down below. And that's all I have for you today. So until tomorrow, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And I will see you tomorrow for, what are we at? Oh, number 5. Oh, it's my birthday. Number 5 of the reSEWlution 2020.